Hello everyone. Today I have this question on parabola, which is an original. It's a subjective question. This is the statement. A parabola has focus S is the origin and passes through the point P 3, 4. Equation of tangent to parabola at P is 3x plus 4y minus 25 equals 0. A focal chord is drawn parallel to the tangent at P, which intersects the parabola at M and N. Then find first length of lattice rectum of parabola, second length of MN, third equation of directrix of parabola, and fourth the equation of the parabola. So pause the video here and try it, and I'll come up with a solution. So I hope you try the problem. Now here's my solution. The property we'll be using is foot of perpendicular from focus upon any tangent lies on the tangent at vertex. Here if we see the line joining focus to point P, the slope is obviously 4 by 3, and the tangent at P slope is minus 3 by 4. So you can see clearly that these two are perpendicular. In other words, P is the foot of perpendicular from focus upon the tangent. So P is a point on the tangent at vertex. Also P is a point on the parabola. So I think we can clearly say that if it has to be a point on the tangent at vertex, also it's a point of the parabola. P has to be the vertex of the parabola. So this is the main result that we'll use to solve the rest of the problem. Now I'll draw this in the form of the standard parabola so that we can get a clearer idea. Here obviously these two lines are on the coordinate axis, but I've drawn it for convenience. So here this line is the tangent at vertex, which is 3x plus 4y equals 25. And if you know the standard result of parabola, it is that this in y square equals 4x, the a is equal to the distance between focus and vertex. So here we can find that a is equal to 5. And if you know in the standard parabola, length of lattice rectum is 4a. So length of lattice rectum will be 20 units. Now they are told that MN is a line which is parallel to the tangent at vertex. So we can say that in this case, uh, this is perpendicular to the axis and also passing through focus. So MN is the lattice rectum. We already found that length of lattice rectum is 20 units. So MN will also be 20 units. So with that, we have solved the first two parts. Now we go to the next part, which is related to directrix. So here we use another result that the distance between foot of directrix and the distance between vertex is also equal to a. So the same distance between focus and vertex. And also we know this line because we know 2 points on it. So this is y is equal to 4x by 3. So based on that result, we'll write the foot of directrix in this parametric way as 3h comma 4h, which satisfies this line as you can see. And now we can use distance formula to equate this distance to be equal to a, which is 5 units, which I've done here. I've taken the square for simplicity. And after simplifying, we get two possibilities: h is equal to 2 or h is equal to 0. Obviously h is equal to 0 would give us focus, so that is not what we want. But if it's h is equal to 2, it will give us 6 comma 8, which is the foot of directrix. Now we know a point passing through this line, and we know the slope of it, which will be same as the slope of tangent at vertex, which is minus 3 by 4. So based on these two results, we can write equation of directrix is 3x plus 4y minus 50 is equal to 0. Now we go to the last part of our problem where we have to find the equation of the parabola. For that we will use this certain definition of a conic section, which says that distance of a point from a fixed point, which is focus, and the ratio of it with the distance of a point from a fixed line, which is the directrix, is equal to E, which is the eccentricity of the conic section. And we know in case of parabola, eccentricity is equal to 1. So based on this result, we can write the equation of this parabola. So focus is 0 comma 0, so distance of some point from it will be root of x square plus y square. And the directrix we found is 3x plus 4y minus 50. So I think you would know this result that distance of any point from a line is this is ax plus by plus c. It would be equal to ax plus by plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. I hope you know that result, where this point is x comma y. So based on that result, we have written this. Now we'll square both sides and take the 5 to the other side. We'll get this result. And after all the simplifying, we get finally this answer: 16x square plus 9y square minus 24x square plus 300x plus 400y minus 2500 is equal to 0. So this is the final answer for the fourth part. So I solved all four parts. I hope you got the same answers as me, and if you didn't, I hope you understood my solution. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, you can comment down below, and thank you for watching.